recently I learned I can actually use the zoom feature of my DJI Action 5 Pro. I'm going to have a test. Now I'm in the Niagara Falls. Let me try. Now I'm in the video mode, and so I'm going to press here, and then you will see. So that would enable the digital zoom. So I can zoom up to 2 times. Apparently now it's zoomed in. The view you are seeing now is 2 times. Let's see. So if I want to have the wide angle, I touch here again and hold on to it, and I go back to wide angle. So this is just 1 time. If I want to go back to zoom, I can go to 2 times 1 and 0.5. So the 0.5 would be the ultra wide angle. Let me try if I can do the ultra wide angle. So you have to hold on to it, and then whoops, I don't know how I can get into the ultra wide angle. Probably not this button, but I'm glad I have this feature. Now let's try photo. Now I have switched to the photo mode, so I don't see the zoom button. So I assume in photo mode I cannot zoom in, and I can only zoom in video mode. So that actually is quite handy to have this little zoom feature.